Hi, my name's Heather Durkee. I'm a senior in the Biomedical Engineering Department at the University of Miami, and I'm doing a BME 440 measurements lab tutorial. This is a power supply. You use it to supply power to your circuit. You can change the input voltage so that your range is less than 6 volts, so you would use this so it's more sensitive, and you control it here with this dial, the 6 volt. Okay, and if you wanted to get a bigger supply, you would use the 20, and you would use the 20 dial, and you could adjust it to a much larger voltage. This is the positive output, and this is the ground, using the conventional colors red and black. So if you use the 6 volt, you would use the 6 volt input, and then if you use the 20, you would have to use the 20. So you would put this in here. And this stays here in the ground. Okay, if you wanted to add power to the circuit, you would attach the ground terminal to, these are 3 resistors in series, so the ground is connected to the last one, and we'll connect this to the first one, and then there's power running through the circuit. For more complex circuits, you can use the breadboard to make a bridge over here, and these are the same node, so then you would connect it here. You could connect the positive here, and then same thing here is this is connected to this one, and then you can connect the ground here, and that just helps simplify the circuit. This is the DMM. It's a digital multimeter. You use this to measure different parts of the circuit, so you can measure voltage, resistance, and current. If you want to measure DC voltage, you push this button, DC V. If you want to measure current in a DC circuit, you push this button. And then if you want to measure the resistance of a resistor, you push the button with an ohm on it. If you don't like the range, you can use these range buttons to change it so that you get a more accurate reading. So, turn this back on. Okay, then down here, if you want to measure the resistance through a resistor, we'll just use this one right here. You can just connect it, and you can see it says that it's approximately 1 kilo ohm resistor. The polarity doesn't matter, because if it reads negative in voltage, you just know that it's the same magnitude, but it's the opposite. So in a circuit, if you want to measure voltage, we'll apply a power of 10 volts, and then you can see the voltage drop across this resistor. Okay, and then, you change it to measure voltage, and then it's 5 volts. Okay, and then if you want to measure current, you have to physically break the circuit so that you can make the multimeter part of the circuit to measure current, and then you can do that with these little jumper cables. And then you just connect, you push DCI up here, and then you connect to the current.
So that will make this line. All right.
Yep. All right, and that's it.